This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 3577. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 200. It is a new 2020 Chevrolet K3500. It has factory 4-wheel drive. The engine is a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel. The overall length is 291 inches. The overall height is 108 inches. The headroom is 68 inches. It is a McCoy Miller module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, a new wheel-in siren and wheel-in speakers, new wheel-in LEDs, exterior and interior. It has a new trip light inverter and charger, and it has a new HVAC system. It is a new 2020 Chevrolet K3500 with factory 4-wheel drive with a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine. The body configuration is left front oxygen. It also has longboard storage. The unit features new aluminum diamond plate throughout, corner guards, mud guards. See the depth filler, Laverne truck equipment, steps new on both sides, new rub rails, new fenderettes. L number 2 houses the inverter. It also has an adjustable shelf. L number 3 could store a spare tire. It also could be fitted with a shelf. It has a new aluminum diamond plate bumper with flip-up step. The load height is 36 1/4 inch, and that's before any payload, and the unit has not been fitted with liquid ride as yet, which would provide a kneeling option. It also has backup camera capability. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with the forward action area, storage below the seat, behind and above. There's also storage above the rear entry doors. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. There's a locking drug box in the walkthrough, and it is a 3/4 partial walkthrough type 1 configuration. It has a new console with beverage holders, document storage, new switch panel, new wheel-in siren head. It also has radio power and ground behind the seat, pre-wired. Storage above the walkthrough, HVAC system, new, all new hoses as well, above the right cabinet stack. Inside, outside, ALS cabinet, access, lockable lower doors. Glove storage above the squad bench. Storage below the squad bench. It has an auxiliary extendable step which can be triggered by the door if desired. R number 3, the right rear compartment, is for backboard storage. It also has an adjacent storage compartment. Could also be fitted with a shelf if that was desired. ALS compartment has inside-outside access with 3 adjustable shelves. The battery storage compartment is empty presently. There are 2 batteries under hood, and additional batteries could be fitted here if desired, or it could be used for other storage. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 3577, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.